Alright, y'all, so I got the 3.5 liter V6 high output motor. Back up the battery cable, like so. And let's fire her back up. So I changed the number one spark plug in the coil pack. I took this off, cleaned it up real good. Um, I actually think that this might need to be replaced because I could hear like a little sound or whatever. So I think that this needs to be replaced. But I would say replace the whole unit because the whole unit is going to come with two brand new ones anyway. So you'd be pissed off if you buy just this thing and it ends up being you know, the runner that's inside or something like that. But I had it running for about maybe 5 minutes now. There's no shake. Exhaust is good. There's no sputter or anything. So check inside. There's no check engine lights on or nothing like that. Everything's running cool. I'm at 153,000, so it probably is about to go. Not the engine, but that piece, that unit. So, like I said, it was sputtering for a minute. It's because I had the Egr valve, which is this back there. I had the blue what you call it showing on it. Gasket showing. So I had to push it up a little bit, sort of hit the hump, and then put it in so the vacuum leak stops, so it stops shaking. Hook up all your hoses. You got a hose right here, and a hose right here. Hook up all your connectors. Because you need to take all this, you need to disconnect all this when you do it, and disconnect the ground wire from the battery, and disconnect this, hook it back up. So now I got to put all these clips and stuff back on there and tighten it all down. There's one on that side too, tighten it all down. But there's no shake no more, no sputter. Everything sounds good, except for it's been sounding like this when I bought the car. So maybe that's just it. But and it's not a rocker or nothing like that. So I'm not going to worry about that. So I probably will end up changing this whole unit instead of just changing this one piece. If you get this one piece and it ends up being the whole unit, you're mad because it came out $300 when you can probably find this on eBay for $500. You're all good. All right, like the video, subscribe. Case Town Business, boy, dig that. Y'all, we about to replace this tuner valve inside this 2007 Dodge Charger. First thing you need to do is grab your 13mm take that off. Move all this out of the way. Grab this. Shut that down. Leave that to the side like that so that it's not touching any ground. Come on. That I cleaned off maybe 3 days ago. You can see that it's kind of burnt and everything, and the washer's still in there. It's right. So I got that washer out using number 2 pencil to get that washer out. So what I do, I spray a little bit of this on a rag and wipe around this groove. So here's the new part that I ordered out. I gotta replace the Egr valve with a new one. I tried to take this one off. It came off, but like a little piece of it broke off, so I gotta dig it out and put the new one on there. So that's the map sensor. Yes, map sensor. I said Egr valve. I don't know why. Egr valve's in the back. That thing right back there is the Egr valve. That's a tube, and the tube goes into the Egr valve that's right up underneath. So my next project will be replacing the Pcm unit. This is the one that came on the car, so I'm going to replace this probably within 6 days, and I will leave a description. Well, on the video, when I post the video, I'll leave a description on where I purchased it from. It's already plug and play, ready to go unit. Just plug it straight in and start your car. And if you have any problems, like I had a problem where my lights were cut off for just flashing for no reason. It wasn't an alternator or the starter because I replaced both of them. But I will leave a description. So